the Gen Zs, these young people, one, nabantu basomete, bali well informed. Ekero gocha n'enchiri libunga yo authenticate kuligera lichikura ko baragwa upload forms. These are people who are well organized and abantu basomete. Number two, basically even the way they communicate among themselves locally queried. But one thing is clear. These young people mbatagete evolution in terms we will change leadership. Eba tebanga not only at the presidential level, even to the ward level.
Yes.
Batagete. These are the people batagete korabarai bago kolegasi. Let me tell you something. Again, to get to P, corruption. Corruption, let me tell you. You know, ekeroko genda kuchikuligia egetambulisho. Se chief, se sub chief, kuichuliwe form. Ugo sabenda ranch. For example, oko nyorobo kong oko gende police station betamaguta. Paraga tiga igasaba na abantu bamatatu bagweta corruption.
Yes.
Ebi intibi ekerbigo corruption is in this country. Abantu bakwiba bakaganga Ruto bakukwana. They are not talking about Ruto. They are talking about officers. Abo bento kola bandirasi bakwe engage in corruption. The only thing kia feriri gaiga ne president go stamp authority nga tinta geti korole bintebi bigo korwa via corruption. Abo no EACC go chaime. You seeing? Instead EACC ko genda kubata askari ba traffic na kubabeka chi camera na kono ko baonchukania. Tigera na order ni sebi because yekaro mo inako yandu sabchibesa se subchief. Ogende police station nu sabchibesa. Gago eta paru sabchibesa. Iga korange serikali ya Ruto nembe. Na barayi ababalensa eba kurutira Ruto. Ruto nero rengera linga na abantu bangangete bako lakini abantu baye nabo barababe bale ground watching side.
Yes.
Kwarole ekene bibinto bibanta biligeriwe. Anta ekene kento go trigger chance because they are talking about the budget. Bali linga chibese singa chachite. That we are talking about SHA. Chibese go chigusira. Yeah, lakini wasanki umuntago tena kabisa ko tebanga abantu baitu akuru a very good statement. Yani statement yako teno kwane TV engijapi. Lakini yuna nanya gitali. It is opposite bintago kwane TV. Jensi siaba. Nkoleta bali revolution in terms injira to ko approach politics, in terms injira to ko lengeli about leadership na abaraibo kenjira to ko bachora.
All right, Mheshimiwa.